Robotics today is more than machines mimicking human actions. It's an evolving convergence of hardware, software, and intelligence. Beyond industrial bots, we now see soft robotics that mimic muscle tissue, biomimetic limbs, and micro-robots designed for internal surgeries. The future lies in robotic swarms, tiny bots that can coordinate in real time using decentralized AI. These are transforming disaster recovery, mining, and even deep-sea exploration. Combined with neuromorphic computing, robots are now able to sense environments with minimal power, learning continuously like the human brain. Behind the scenes, platforms like ROS2, Robot Operating System, and Gazebo are enabling real-world-like simulations before a single robot is built. Tools like MoveIt for motion planning and NVIDIA, Acx-I for photorealistic training are revolutionizing robotic testing and deployment. As we step into an era of AI-powered robotics, expect breakthroughs in cognitive robotics, tactile feedback systems, and human-robot collaboration. Robotics isn't just automating tasks, it's redefining interaction, empathy, and possibility.